It's Maddie and Vanna here. And today, what are we making, Vanna?
A volcano.
Oh, well, Maddie answered that.
Volcano.
A volcano? And what do you make it out of, Maddie?
Playdough.
Play-Doh and what else do we have?
Vinegar.
Vinegar?
And paint.
Colored vinegar and what's this?
Baking soda.
Baking soda?
Yeah.
Okay. So what's the first thing first is we got to build the base, huh? You did it.
Mommy, what's that?
So Savannah's is still a work in progress, but Maddie's is coming along.
Diana.
Do you like Diana and Roma?
Yeah, I like Diana. Mommy. And Rama.
So what we did was we had this cut off little paper cup. We cut it off. And then we made a blob kind of at the base to set our cup on it. And then we took Play-Doh and kind of just molded it around it to kind of give it that volcano structure.
My color vinegar is the color yellow.
Yep, you got yellow colored vinegar. Okay, Maddie, pour your baking soda in your cup.
All of it?
Yeah, you can if you want. And then pour your vinegar in it and let's watch it explode.
Mommy, look at our stuff doing on it. Take my stick out.
Okay.
Whoa. Wow. A little bit more.
Yeah.
Mommy, look at mine. Mommy. Whoa. All of it. Wow. Stick out. Can I try all of it?
Yeah, baby.
I did it.
That was awesome. Did you like that?
Yeah.
You did.
It looks amazing.
So Savannah's volcano is now fixed and she's about to add her baking soda. Pour your baking soda in.
Is that baking soda? Yep.
Good job. And Savannah wanted orange vinegar.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Whoa!
Is mine dry? Oh, there's a butterfly. He's trying to eat it. Oh, no.
All right, everybody, say see you later.